This is the AI chatbot. It can be used for both inbound and outbound purposes. It can be like put on your website. It could be used through SMS or WhatsApp or like Facebook Messenger, Slack. So any platform where chat is involved, this can be used in there. So it can be used for internal purposes. It can be used for FAQs and customer support. It can be used for appointment setting as well. So it can be used to message outbound leads. So leads that submit a form on your website or respond to your Facebook ad, this thing can also respond to them, qualify them, and book them in for an appointment. So this is both internal and external, so inbound and outbound. This is for the 24/7 availability and the instant responses and its multilingual capabilities as well. And you can expect to see rapid response time under a minute, and it won't be the generic like pre-scripted robotic responses provided by like banks and businesses. And businesses can easily see 200% or even more ROI from a chatbot. And you can expect to see around like 30 to 50% reduction in operational costs by automating up to 70-80% of routine inquiries, with chatbots handling around 2/3 of customer questions independently without human intervention. If a chatbot is able to respond to a person instantly and answer their questions, then that reduces the need for manual human work and intervention, which makes it much more convenient for both the business and also the lead or the client. This one here is a chatbot for a website. So yeah, here you can see that I have defined the role, the context, and everything. And I have also provided it two tools. So here I have provided it the knowledge base to access internal knowledge and FAQs to answer customer queries. And I also gave it the Google Calendar tool here so it can book appointments in case somebody wants to book an appointment with me. So I have given it tools. Yeah, this can be used on both website or on like SMS and WhatsApp. So I'll just like open it up now. This is just a sample. So hi, what do you guys do? And then it says, yeah, we build custom AI systems that automate calls, lead follow-ups, and sales workflows. Yep, this is what we do. And I'll just type in another one here. So can I book a call with you? And it has provided me a link to book a call. So, and I'll try another one. So do you sell chicken noodle soup? And as you can see, it doesn't make things up. It has admitted that it does not sell chicken noodle soup, and it only helps with AI systems for business automation. So these can be built and deployed, and they provide the immediate ROI. And these can be extremely effective when done right. And you can expect to see instant responses, higher customer satisfaction, and automating routine inquiries, so you can focus on the work that matters rather than answering the same questions that you get asked a million times a day.